Hi, Jake with Diode. Today in the garage, we're going to show you an exciting new product for the 2019 and up Ram 1500. These are our new multicolor LED boards, and they're compatible with the Laramie, Laramie Sport, and the Rebel. Now, as you would expect with our multicolor LED boards, these are fully RGBW capable, so when you pair it with our Bluetooth controller, you have access to thousands of custom color options, as well as dozens of unique patterns, sequences, and functions right from your phone. These are OEM grade replacements for your factory boards. Now you can see on camera that these are significantly brighter than stock, but even still, I can tell you it's not doing it justice as to just how bright these are. Now, if you're familiar at all with Ram electronic systems, you know that the CAN bus system in these trucks can make wiring in aftermarket LED electronics somewhat tricky. Our engineers have solved this by including a solid-state relay. Now, the solid-state relay connects these boards directly to your battery, so you have a clean power signal powering these boards, but you'll still retain all your factory DRL functions right from the cab of your truck like you're used to.